I hope you enjoy this 4-minute video. I am testing an RC4 wheel drive chassis kit recently put together. The body still needs lots of work before it's finished. I am planning to paint the body light blue with white trim. The red paint on the rims will be removed to return them to the original silver. The suspension is very stiff even after some modifications. I removed the middle leaf springs as well as the springs from inside the shock absorbers. I tried only one leaf spring but prefer this combination. It will improve with more time on the trail. I just realized I did not program my preferred settings on the HobbyWing 1080 electronic speed controller. That will make the next ride even smoother. I really enjoy the big square body shed. I was relieved to see how well the RC4 wheel drive chassis handles the big chunky square body when side hilling. The 1.9 Proline Hyrax Predator compound tires also made the ride look easy. Thank you for watching and please join me on the next crawl.